3, 2, 1. That's our reference point for all these. So now, I'm going to stick this into the vacuum.
According to D-Minder, the UV is 3 right now.
Where I have two identical audio recorders that are both synchronized. The only difference between them right now, as they are actively recording, is that one of them is inside a vacuum chamber, which I pumped 15 times, and so no acoustic vibration should be able to affect this in any way. Well, if we get something on the one that's in the vacuum, but we don't get anything on the one that's outside the vacuum, that would lead me to believe something profound had occurred, that there was some type of an inexplicable force that had targeted the interior mechanism of this specific digital recorder and imprinted a message. On the other hand, if we get something on the one that's outside the vacuum but not inside, then that would show us that this is a purely acoustical phenomenon.
Did you work in Las Vegas? What did you do for a living? Do you have a particular talent you'd like to tell us about?